of the RDC model is you've got that secure funding, through the levy system that allows for a sustained focus on issues, challenges and opportunities, and really through that, the ability to get results. I think over the couple of decades that the model's been operating, there's been some great successes. Marketing in particular is a really good success story. I think in 2003, egg consumption per capita was 157, and now it's at 263, and that's not a level of growth that's been replicated in other countries. If anything, it's taken the Australian industry from probably the bottom third of egg consumption comparatively up to the top quarter, and it's something that I think the industry should really celebrate. Innovation as well, we've seen great improvements. We've never farmed eggs as efficiently or productively as we are now. Egg farmers can expect 300 eggs per year, on average across systems. Feed efficiency has improved significantly, delivering, direct bottom line benefit to the farmer. And of course, flock life is up around the 80 weeks. And look, genetics have played a significant role in that, but we also do have, bespoke, almost climate-driven challenges in Australia, and having the ability to focus on them, generate new knowledge through the research community, feed it back to farm and get outcomes is really very valuable. Australian Eggs has also done a lot of work on industry reputation and building community trust, obviously through the sustainability framework. Been able to tune in to what the community thinks, what their priorities are, then build research programs around that, extend to farm, drive on-farm change, and then feed that back to the community, and through that, it's been a very positive process. We've seen community trust increase significantly. It really is a remarkable period in the industry right now. Unprecedented change taking place, and next year is really about Australian Eggs ensuring those standing, highly valued services continue to be provided and provided well, marketing, innovation, Egg Standards of Australia, and capacity building initiatives, but also working on those emergency animal diseases and other current issues to make sure that the industry is in the best possible position. A wise egg farmer once said, if you're going to be part of something, you want to be part of something good. And it really is satisfying to be able to work in such a great industry as this, but also spend every day partnering with egg farmers, trying to make it better.